Hello everyone, we're standing on Djurgården, one of the islands here in Stockholm, and the person holding this camera, her name is Julia. She has no idea what we're going to be doing right now.
My name is not Sven, it is Martin, yeah.
She is going to ask me, one at a time, 5 questions. She can do it in English, it's kind.
Okay.
And I will answer them in Swedish. Julia, what's the first question? Go, 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 go! Hurry!
What is your favorite thing about cats?
Min favorit... Jag har en katt. Min favorit är när katten kryper upp i sängen och börjar stampa. Och det är kul. Question number 2.
What's your least favorite thing about yourself?
About myself? Det är nog min ibland dåliga självkänsla där jag tror att jag är sämre än vad jag faktiskt är.
Favorite country?
Oj. Favoritland.
Or like culture?
Culture. Alla platser jag inte har varit på än.
Oh, that's a very cultured answer.
Typical politician.
Exactly.
Next question.
Hardest language?
Hardest language. För min del så skulle jag säga polska. Litauiska är inte lätt heller, men polska... Det är som att stoppa in fingret i en kontakt. Det är polska. Last question.
Okay.
No pressure.
No pressure. Favorite area in Stockholm?
Favoritområde i Stockholm. Jag skulle nog säga antingen gömda alléer i Gamla stan.
Alright, I'm sitting editing this video, and obviously the Swedish word Alay is not the same as an alley. The Swedish word Alay is a road that is sort of paved with planted trees on either side. And what we were looking for here is gränd. The Swedish word for alley is gränd. Back to the video.
Eller kanske Hagaparken.
Okay.
Det är ett underskattat och jättefint område. Vad jag kan komma på nu.
I have an extra question.
Hit me, go, go, go.
What is like the cutest type of cat, or like the way that they look?
Are you,
color?
Are you
or
seeing
like
a pattern here? Jag tycker det är kul när en katt ser ut som att den är liksom så här kriminell på ett gammalt Disney-sätt med så här svarta. som en tvättbjörn. Vet du vad en tvättbjörn är?
Tvättbjörn?
Ja.
Something bear?
A laundry bear.
Laundry bear. Oh, okay.
But what is the actual word? Tvättbjörn.
Panda.
No.
Polar bear?
No.
Grizzly bear?
No.
I don't know.
It's actually raccoon.
Okay, raccoon.
And if you think that sounds weird, Danish have the same word, but they say vaskebjörn. Vaskebjörn. And vaske, that is to clean. And björn, well, it's bear. So, yay, we are wrong together.
All right,
Hey,
and we...
stupid.
No. We end the video with Julia saying something about cats. You it doesn't have to be Swedish. Why do you like cats?
They teach you about boundaries, so they don't take any shit. So if you disrespect them, they tell you. I like that. And they keep me in check, I think. So if I'm over petting them or overstimulating them, they don't let me get through it, I guess. Dogs sometimes, I think they're pushovers. So no offense, dogs.
What's your favorite word in Swedish?
I don't want to say it because it's not good. It's like childish, but it's not a nice word. I'll say kikera. No, that's Danish. Sorry. Kikertor. There you go.
What does it mean?
Chickpea. Can I tell you my favorite word off camera?
Yeah. Yes.
You have to stop it.
Tell me off camera. You will never know.